In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up recurring Google Meets in Google Calendar. So as you can see, I have already set mine up. And if I click on today, I can automatically click on my group A, which is 6 students, and I can join Google Meet right here. And I can see all of the students that are in that Google Meet right here, and they have accepted that Meet as well. So you can send them the link invitation and it will show up in their calendar as well. So if I click on more, I can see all of my group Google Meet links, and they're all different right here, and they show up every day that I have that Google Meet and the times that I have those. So it makes it really organized. So to create those, I'm just going to click in the box of the date that you want to start. So if I were starting on June 1st, let's say, I'm going to click there, and I want to click on more options. It'll give you more customizations. So I'm going to just title this Group A, Google Meet. And then you want to select the date you want to start and the last date you want to end. So let's just say we were doing it throughout the summer and we wanted to end on August 28th. Now you're not meeting all day, so you want to unselect that, and you want to select the times that your Google Meet is. So if you meet with a certain group every day from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, you can do it that way, or 9:30 to 10:30, whatever times you meet, you want to select it there. And if you don't meet every single day, then you can click on this does not repeat button, and you can select daily or once a week if you meet just on Mondays. But you can also click the custom, and there's also the every weekday, Monday to Friday. You can click custom, so if you only meet Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, just select those dates and repeat every week. And then you want to end it on the August 28th. Done. All right, so Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is selected. Then you want to select this Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and it's automatically going to give you a link. You don't need to select it, but if you've already made one and you want to add it in here, you just click on that, click on the meeting ID and edit it, and then you just type in those digits, 3, 4, those 10 digits with the hyphens in it. You would just put that in there if you've already set a Google Meet up that you want to use. All right. So then you'll scroll down, and if you want it to be on a different calendar, just select the one you want. You can add a description if necessary. And then on the right is where you're going to add your guests. So you want to search for your students over here that are in that group. So let's just say it's them. And then if you have any special ed teachers, counselor, principal that you want to select as well, you can include them. So once you have it all done, you can also give guest permissions. So I usually unclick these. I'm okay with them seeing guest lists. And then you're going to click save. So I'm just going to unselect them so they're not going to get an email really quick. Let's just, I wonder if I can give it to myself really quick. All right, then you're going to click save, and it would say, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? And you want to click send, and just give them a heads up that you're going to do that so that they can accept the invite and it'll show up in their Google Calendar as well. So that is how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know.